Hello folks, this is Sam Owens and we're going to introduce you to this little device, which is a phone holder, and it's got an adjustable arm that actually holds the phone, and you can put it in just about any position you need. It's got an adhesive suction cup on the end or on the bottom of this, and it will hold to the dash, this material, because this is a soft rubber, but we're going to show how to mount this. And it can mount just like this to any of the surfaces, but it's got to be flat. If it's like this, it's not going to work, not going to work here. And this is curved, it would work right here. But then you're going to cover up your instrument panel. This is getting over into the passenger side. This is the airbag, so you wouldn't want to mount it in the airbag passenger area. Over here, I don't want it in my line of sight, so I wouldn't want to put it here, but this is the ideal flat area that would work real well. I've thought about putting it over here, and this is still curved, like it rocks back and forth. And if you can't use this part because of that, there is a disc here that's flat, and this can go across cracks or stuff. Like right here, you've got a crack. You could mount it like that, and then this mounts on top. Well, I've looked it all over, and this is about the only place that I can mount this and still view it, like right here. But we've got a seam right here. I'm going to try it and see if there's enough of the suction area and adhesive that it will work. If it doesn't, then we've got this to operate with. Okay, that is the mounting of this. And let me show you one other thing. This bends back and forth, up and down, and it turns. You can hear it clicking. So once you mount this, you don't have to worry about what position, because you can adjust this any way you want. And this is all the way back. You could get it where it's down like this. Like, if this were flat, you could mount it like that. That would be good. In other words, this can be hanging down over. All right, that will be something you will experiment with when you get yours. Okay, we're going to try and mount it here. You get these right here, little wipes, and we're going to use the wet one right here. And then there's a dry one. This is the wet one, the green that I've got in my hand. Okay. You clean this all over. If you have a place up on the dash that you can use, then use this to clean it off. Then use the dry one to dry it. And this gets all oils, or if you had dash cleaner or something, it'll give it a good sticking place. All right, now we're going to try this, and what you do is peel this off, and you want to keep this clean. You don't want lint, dirt, trash get on this. This is a real soft gel like, so it will contour. There's no contouring except for this crack right here, and so I can just grab this, and the other way you lock this, right here you can look at unlock is over here, lock is there. Okay, first thing you want to do is put it in the unlock position, all the way counterclockwise, and right there, you see, it is unlocked counterclockwise. And then, once I get it in position, then I'm going to turn this until you hear that. Click, and then it will be in the locked position. All right, so there, let me get her back. And there's two knurling areas that you can grab. And there you go. And then, what you do, I'm all the way to the left. I'm just going to grab this and put it right here. Now, the first thing you got to do is make sure, well, I've pretty well already done that, is that you'll be able to see it see the phone whenever you mount it there. Okay, I've tried that already, and I can. So I grab this like this, and then I can push this up here, get as much area as I can. Okay, right there. I push, and then I'm gonna turn this. Wait, and the vacuum is going, and listen for the click. There it is. It's on there tight now. And you see how I can take this and it will move around, and I don't have to worry about that coming off unless I want to. And here is a tab that I can pull up. That little tab, you release it going counterclockwise and then pull up and slowly work it up, and you can remove it if you find that it doesn't work as well. Okay, now this is the magnet part that's going to hold the phone right here. And I'm going to put it, I can actually adjust this over to the side like this. This is my iPhone 17 Pro, and I've got a case around it, and this is a magnetic safe case. So I don't need to add this ring that comes with the kit. This is a metallic ring that would mount on the back of the case. If you didn't have a mag case, then this will allow this to stick to that, like that. And then there's a little tab right here that will pull the covering off and allow it to stick on the phone. To find the center of the phone, they have this tool, a alignment tool right here, and you get a plastic cover. Now it's white. When you peel the back white off, it's absolutely clear and you wouldn't see it. You want that pretty much in the center, and then this ring is going to mount over top of it. And it's just a double sticking arrangement that this is going to stick to this. And what you do is once you stuck that on, then you put this on like this, and you line this up per the instructions right down here, that you want the same amount of material at either end and the sides. And then you pull this protection off and then stick this inside of there, and it will be just perfect once you line it up. That's the way you do that. Okay, folks, I want to thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope this helps you with your installation.